I'm making cookie dough. This is a combination of 3 tablespoons of room temperature softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of sunflower seeds and a scoop of protein whey isolate, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 sachets of stevia until I make into a dough before rolling out and shaping it and putting it in the oven preheated at 180 for 10 to 15 minutes. The dough, after rounding it, I put it on top of 2 silicone molds. Then I will flatten it with the use of the rolling pin. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then I'm going to take a cookie cutter and cut it into rounds. I guess this will do. Okay, it's kind of big. You may want to preheat your oven while doing this. Okay, I line the baking sheet with a parchment paper and then pull out, then shape it there. 9, I still have this other crumbs. I'm going to again form and then flatten it to fill up maybe 3 more. I guess this remaining will serve as the base for my cheesecake in the future. Out this cookie looks crunchy now. I'm just letting it cool. For the meantime, I'm making the filling. I use lemon for flavor, and later when it's cooled, I'll put it as a filling. While chilling that, I'm going to make this a no-bake cheesecake, just like before. I still have this butter and then this cream cheese. Then I'm going to mix up using lemon. Instead, the dough was used there, and I think it's oh, so crunchy. Good. Perhaps I can now put the filling in. Inside with the piping I still have, and chilling this. Now let me put it on top of each cookie. No, I have to drain it first. Okay. Ready to chill again. I made 6 cookies.